He thinks I can't see him. Don't even try that. Yo, my boy.
Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. So today I've been binging on videos of a guy called Dean Schneider. He was born in Switzerland. He gave up his city lifestyle and moved to South Africa to follow his passion for animals. He purchased some land to rehabilitate and keep wild animals in captivity. No tourists are allowed, and nor are animals bred to be sold. He does swear sometimes, so just a heads up in case you watch his stuff as a family. There's three cool things that really caught my eye